Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a OnePlus Nord 2T, and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find password and security. Now let's enter system security, and as you can see here, we've got app installation section. We've got only one option, which is installation sources, and this is the option we're looking for. So let's tap on it, and here we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed, just like in my case, to install some content. So if you want to change it, for example, if you'd like to allow Chrome to install something, just tap on the switcher net. As you can see, your device will ask you if you really want to do it. Remember that you're doing it on your own responsibility, because some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and your whole device at risk. Remember about that. So simply tap on allow if you're ready, and as you can see, right now the Chrome is active, which simply means that it is allowed to install some content. Of course, it will work the same with all other apps. Just tap on the switcher. So basically, if you want to, you can remove all previously given permissions and just find it. So in my case, Chrome, and tap on the switcher again. And from now on, the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. So actually, this is it. This is how to allow unknown sources in your OnePlus Nord 2T. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.